Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, let me show you how to fix missing apps on Android. Let's get started. First, swipe up on your screen to get the app screen. You can then go through here and see if you can find the app. You can use the search at the top. For me, I can find Instagram and it's missing when I search for it. However, if you do it here, you can hold your finger on it and click on Add to Home to add it to your home screen. If that isn't working and you can find it there, open the Play Store, search for the missing app. For example, I search for Instagram. Check if it's installed. If it isn't, and you have the option to install it, just install it again. For me, it says it's installed, but I still can't find it. This may be because the app's been hidden. To check for hidden apps, hold on a blank space on your home screen. Go to the bottom right and click on Settings. Then click on Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. You can see hidden apps at the top. Instagram has been hidden, so I can click on it and press Done. And there you have it. You can now see the missing apps on your phone. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.